how to show or hide group on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, go to preference section. Here in preference section, you can see here the tab bar. Okay, tap the tab bar. In tab bar, you can see here the customized tab bar. Now you can choose what you like to see on tab bar. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in tab bar, you can see the available settings here. And okay, so in this tutorial, I will show you how to show or hide the group on Facebook tab bar. Okay, here the group, and the group is set into auto. To hide this group, okay, you'll have to do is tap the button on the right side of this. And you can see here the hide. Okay, don't show in your navigation bar. Okay, you can tap the hide to hide the group on your Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, as you can see, the group is now here in hidden section. So okay, to show again the group on Facebook tab bar, okay, you'll have to do is tap the button on the right side of this group in hidden section. And now you can see the pop-up, and there are two options. So you can set into pin or you can set into auto. If you set in pin, keep in your navigation bar. So if you select the auto, show or hide depending on your activity. And okay guys, I decide to set into pin. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully show or hide the group on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.